Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the Malvern Hills area of outstanding natural beauty, where I'm here to complete a short circular walk just up to Worcestershire Beacon. And it starts by following this incredibly steep road, which is about a 1 in 5. It's been a bit hard work getting up here, but look at the views already over the county of Worcestershire. So this walk's probably going to be 5 to 8 kilometres. Is kind of make up as we go along. Hiking here with Nick, he's just in front. Yeah, the weather's been a little bit grey, and the beacon was also in the clouds when we first arrived. We stopped, had some breakfast, and hopefully it's going to be clear by the time we get up there. So we've left the 425 metre summit of Worcestershire Beacon far behind us because there are so many people up there. There must have been well over 100, and if I look in front there's probably another 100 people. But it is Saturday and it's a nice day now, so you know, I can't blame people for coming out. And I'm actually heading along the very end now of the Shire Ditch, which separates Herefordshire on my left with Worcestershire on my right, and it was dug during the 13th century. So just behind me here is the 397 metre summit of North Hill, and as the name would suggest, it sits right on the northern end of the Malvern Hills. So this is actually the last peak of today's walk, and today's walk is actually included, I didn't realise this, but the top, or the 5 highest peaks in the Malvern Hills, so Summer Hill, Worcestershire Beacon, we've gone over Sugarloaf Hill, Table Hill, which is this grassy lump over here to my right, and then North Hill just behind me. So we're going to head back down to one of the main paths and then follow that down into Great Malvern now. So we are just coming towards the end of the walk now, and it was absolutely beautiful to see across Herefordshire, across Worcestershire over towards the Cotswolds. Views were way better than I expected today, due to the weather forecast this morning saying pretty much showers all afternoon, and we were delighted to have plenty of sunshine, and it's way warmer as well. It's very humid and probably hitting nearly 20 at the moment. But if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and also ring the bell to keep up to date with future uploads. I'll see you next time.